I cook, I eat, and hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we are going to be making Rava balls, also known as Sooji balls. So let's begin. First add ghee. Let it heat up. I get very bored when I'm waiting for ghee to heat up. Next add chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon. So I tasted a little bit of it. Then my mouth just started burning and burning. I didn't. Next, add chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon, and saute. Saute. Carrots. Next, add grated carrots, 3 tablespoons. My mama always puts vegetables whenever she can. Whenever there's some place for a fruit or a vegetable in a dish, she always puts vegetable. Next, add some water. Then add coconut milk powder. Instead of coconut milk powder, you can also replace the water to thick coconut milk. Mix. After mixing, add roasted rava slowly and continue mixing while adding. Make sure there are no lumps. Make it nice and even. And leave it for cooking. In between cooking, you should also mix. So we have it here, nice and a dewy texture for making balls. So now let's leave it to cool and make the rava balls. Let me do a small taste. Let's knead it before making the balls. Ouch, ouch. So let's start making the balls. Now ball number 1, ball number 2, ball number 3. So now keep all the balls for steaming. Steaming is a very healthy way of cooking and we only need to do it for 10 minutes. So it's ready, let's take it out. Wow! All the smoke is coming out and it looks so cool. So let's start with the flavoring. First add ghee and let it heat. Wow, it's quickly heating. Next add mustard seeds. Wait for a little while. You should keep it at a nice and low temperature when you do this. Add cumin seeds and wait for them to splatter. After that add urad dal and wait for them to reach golden brown. After they reach golden brown, add curry leaves. Mix and then add chili flakes and again mix. Chili powder, turmeric powder and mix. Salt. Finally, grated coconut. Mix it all together. And we're finished with our flavoring. Now, let's dump all the balls into there. And then we've got to mix all of them together. The balls itself look really yummy. And with the coating, they look extra yummy. Let's evenly coat all of them and it'll be ready to serve. Looks so yummy. So thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. We will definitely thank you for this. If you love this video, please do subscribe for more yummy videos. Bye! Mwah.